Using a Franklin rotary tumbler, I bought 1,000 extremely dirty used 9mm brass, ran the cycle through twice for 6 hours because it was so dirty, and there was a lot of brass in there. The odd little 357 SIG I see was in the brass as well. And when this was done, I had this idea and it worked extremely well. I took a little space heater, portable heater, and blew hot air or warm air through the tumbler, and in 2 hours it worked extremely well. The brass was warm to the touch and very dry.